Hello everyone, I'm the Yorkshire Gardener and today we are going to be potting up broccoli plants as they have grown from their seed and they're getting too big for the trays now, so they need potting up so they can grow a bit bigger before we plant them outside into the fresh air. But it's still April at the moment, so I don't want to be planting them outside yet. I want them to grow a bit bigger before we can plant them outside because I don't want the frost to kill them off. So let's see what we're doing today. My broccoli. As you can see, they're very big and they're too big for the tray, so we need potting up into plant pots so that we can get them established and ready to plant out next month. So let's get them potted up. Overall, I'm going to plant about 30 broccoli plants. I'll probably need about 15 to 20, but I just want to plant a few extra just in case they get eaten or damaged or they don't take. So let's get cracking. You obviously need your broccoli, you need your plant pots, and you need some compost. I've just got general multi-purpose compost and we'll get these in the plant pots. So to do this, all you need to do is just gently ease out the broccoli plants, carefully not damaging the roots in the bottom. So we'll take a couple of those out as such. Always go for the best ones that are growing. You don't want any piddly little things. You want your ones that are doing really well. Always choose your best crop. And fingers crossed, they will all grow well. So we've got a few of those as such. So the next job is to fill up your plant pots with compost. Just filling it up. Plant pot. With some compost. Making a hole. And gently popping it in that you don't break the stem on the broccoli. Because if you do, then you'll have to use another one. So you don't want to damage it. So that one's in. So let's do another one. Put a hole in it. Get some of that excess soil off. And pot it up as such. Like that. So as you can tell, that's potted up. It's not straight, but it'll grow straight eventually when it takes. So yeah, let's get cracking with the rest. I've all potted up the broccoli. It's just a case of keeping them watered now. So yeah, that's all the broccoli potted up. So thanks for watching this video on how to pot up broccoli plants. Make sure you click the subscribe button to stay up to date with videos. Hit the bell button as well for notifications and feel free to leave a comment. So until next time, keep gardening.